Hello everyone, this is Charlie, and today we are going to have a video that is the first beginning video of the week, and today we are going to check 3 different topics. The first one is going to be the vocabulary. These words are going to be used for the resolution of some activities. And remember that this week we are going to be checking the women rights, so all of the explanation is going to be about that related to the women rights, okay? So the first one is going to be the vocabulary. The first one is going to be behave. Behave, as you can see in the picture, the boy is helping his mother. So in that case, the boy behaves good. That is the way of how you are in any situation. So imagine you are in the school and you are using your cell phone while the teacher is explaining. So you behave bad. So that is the way of how you are in any situation. A bit is going to be, as you can see here at Donald Trump, a bit is a little. For example, at this moment, I'm a little, or I'm a bit nervous because it's the first beginning video of the week. So that is a bit, a little. The next one is going to be role. Role is going to be for the position that you take in any situation or any group. For example, as you can see in the woman, she has many activities. But at work, maybe she's a secretary. That is her role. At the family, she's a mom. In the school, your role is the student. In the school, my role is to be the teacher. So that is the position that I take in any situation or any group. The next one is going to be join. So imagine you have a football team and you want to enter to that football team. You enter, so you join that football team. So you are part of that football team. The next one is going to be herself. For that, I'm going to take any student from your classroom. Her name is Aranza. I take Aranza because it has to be necessarily a woman. Imagine Aranza is doing the homework. So Aranza does the homework by herself. She doesn't need any help. So she does the homework by herself. To do any action by your own or by her own. Talking about a woman. Still, I don't have any picture because that is very simple. Still is to continue. Still, continue. That is a synonym. And still, we are going to use it in a sentence. For example, in the past, when I was a baby, I drank milk. Nowadays, I still drink milk, so I continue that action. The next one is going to be weather. Weather, as you can see in the picture, is to have some options. For example, you want to eat something, maybe pizza, hamburger, or eat at home. So you need to decide whether eat pizza, hamburger, or eating at home. So weather is going to be used when you have some options. The next one is going to be needs. That is very simple. Needs is similar to necessities. What are your needs as a student now or as a person in this world? Maybe your need is to sleep, or your need is to eat. So they are natural needs, natural necessities. The next one is going to be equality. Equality is a word to describe something that is equal. For example, the women want equality, so they want the same rights as the men. So there is an equality. Who is the question word to specify a person. For example, who is that person? Well, that she's my mother. Or who is that boy? He is my brother, right? So who is going to be for people? The question word for people. That's all for the vocabulary, and let's take the second topic, that is going to be the impactful women. For that, you have to enter to the forum. You are going to find in your book, you are going to have 3 different women. It is Frida Kahlo, that is Shakira, and I don't remember the other woman, but you have to decide which person has contributed more to the society, or why that person is more important than the others. So select one and decide why that person is important. They are Latin American women, so why they are important. The third topic is going to be a little square that you have in your book, not on the top, but below. And after reading the story, this is my story reading, You are going to check the vocabulary after you do the activities that you have in the platform. You are going to solve that activity. And you have to consider some categories. You are going to take some words and for each category. For example, the first one is describing adjectives. Remember that an adjective is a description. It can be tall, small, intelligent, smart, or hungry. I am hungry, or I am angry, right? So they are descriptions. The time adverbs, just to remember, an adverb is a word that is going to modify any action or any description. For example, I'm nervous. But if I say I am very nervous, so that is an adverb because it modifies the description. In the case of time adverbs, that is going to be for the frequency of the actions. For example, I go to school, but I go only 4 or 3 days at school every week. So I say I sometimes. That is not frequently. So I sometimes go to school. So it modifies the frequency of my action, right? So that they are the time adverbs. The next one is the plural nouns. Remember that a plural noun is going to be a person, it can be an animal, it can be a country, it can be a place. So they are the subject, we can say. So for example, a noun can be the chair. What is the plural noun of chair? Chairs. For a woman, women. Person, people. Cell phone, cell phones. So that is the singular noun, cell phone, plural noun, cell phones, okay, with S. Some of them change. For example, woman is women, child, that is one, in plural is children, okay. The next one is going to be the irregular verbs, the irregular verbs in past. How will you identify the regular verbs? The regular verbs, because they finish with ed. For example, play, you say played. Start, started. Join, joined. They finish with ed. But the irregular verbs in past change completely. For example, you say run, ran. Forget, forgot. Go, went. Sweep, sweep the house. Sweep, swept. Drink, drank. So they are going to be that is the way how you are going to identify the irregular verbs in past. So take those words from the reading and put them inside the box that is in the book. So that is all for the video. So they were 3 different topics, just to remember. The first one was the vocabulary. The second, the forum. You have to enter to the forum and to type. I'm going to give you a grade after you finish that activity. And the third one is to complete the box. That is the explanation, how you are going to complete that box. So that's all for the video. See you in the next class. Bye.